Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn Google into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding landscaping businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name, and after submitting your search, you're going to probably pick from one of the first few results down below or up here in the Google Map pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you use, but it seems to be a pretty popular option overall, as there's about 720 searches every single month for landscaping companies in Minneapolis. Now, that number multiplies as you look for other searches that are very similar, like landscapers Minneapolis, landscaping companies near me, and all these other search terms. But for the sake of this video, we're only going to focus on one, but I wanted to get your mind kind of wrapped around the potential of what we're doing here. But the goal remains the same regardless of the search term, and that goal is to put your business at the forefront of those searches to guarantee that every single month, at least 720 people every single month see your business first before looking at your competitors. So, in order for that to happen, there's a few different things that we're going to need to do first. So, first off, let's talk about content because content is king on Google. So, let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and talk about what you'll need to do when you start building out your website. So here we have Trio Landscaping, which is one of the first few results when you look up Minneapolis landscaping companies. And if we scroll down here, one thing you're going to notice is that they have a few different paragraphs, but not a ton of content on this page. And that really leaves the door open for us to go in and outrank them because content is a very important aspect as it gives users something to engage with and promotes a positive user experience, which is exactly what Google is looking for when they look to promote a website. So yes, like I said, they do have some content. I normally like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page, and you can feel free to go much higher than that, but that's the bare minimum of what I recommend. But one thing you're also going to notice about their content is that it's filled with keywords and phrases. Now, keywords are the most used and the most important phrases on a website. And based on these keywords, Google's going to determine things about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we do it, and ultimately who we are as a company. So it's very important that we have very industry specific keywords to back that content. Now, there is a whole other aspect to this as well, because what we've been talking about so far is the internal side of things, but we also have the external side of things, which is going to be your backlinks and your citations. And the way I like to look at it is that the internal things help set the foundation and determine where we're going to rank, whereas the external things are going to help us climb over our competitors and really get that top spot. So let's talk about the backlink structure of this website and kind of describe what you'll need to do to really go in and outrank them on top of our internal factors. So here we have Trio Landscaping and a tool I use called Ahrefs, and as you'll see, they have about 411 backlinks built to their site. It's generating them some nice power and bringing in about 841 users every single month. And those 841 users are a direct result of the backlinks that they're building as well as the content and keywords that they're using. So definitely want to build out our site from all aspects to really create the strongest ranking strategy possible. But there was one more thing that I mentioned in this video, and that was citations. So let's go back to the Google Map Pack and talk about citations for a second and how they tie into everything here. So here we are back on Google, and I touched on this map pack a little bit before, but this map pack is super important because it gives our business another place that we could be seen on Google. And if we can get the #1 spot in the organic search results, as well as the map pack, we can guarantee that 720 people see our business first before looking at another competitor. So the map pack looks for a few different things though, one of which, or I should say one of the more important ones, is going to be citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All those different places are good citations that you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So I went in and I actually did a little bit of research on each one of these companies and found that the #1 spot had 52 citations, followed by 37, and lastly 17 at the bottom. So if we have 52 citations at the top, we're going to want to double that because, like I said, we always want to go bigger and better than our competitors. So 104 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our keywords, and you should start to see a very positive movement in the traffic that's coming to your business month over month, and more importantly, the amount of revenue that's tied with that. So definitely a lot of potential here. But that's really all I have for you in this video. I will leave you with one question though, and that question is, what could an extra 720 customers every single month do for your business? Once again, that's all I have. My name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and thank you for watching.